Okay, and then the middle of -5 and 9, that doesn't jump out at me. So what you can do is just find the average of those two numbers, -5 plus 9, and then divide by 2. So that would be 4 divided by 2 equals 2. So the middle of -5 and 9 would be 2, and my midpoint is 5, 2. Okay, I'm going to do one more with you. So number 22, again, point C, -4, 7. Point D is at 0, -3, and I'm going to find the midpoint. So the middle of -4 and 0 would be -2. Then the middle of 7 and -3, it doesn't jump out at me. I can just add 7 plus -3 and divide by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2, so it would be 2. So midpoint, -2, 2. So I'm going to have you do 23, 24, 25, and 26 on your own. And then, so just pause for a second. If you're already working on 23, great, but pause for a second, flip over to the other side. I'm going to do one with you over here. Focus. Okay, so 27 through 32, I'm also going to have you do these, but I'll do a couple with you. So 27, it says the midpoint is M, and it's going to give you one endpoint, and you have to find the missing endpoint. So G here is at 5, -6. The midpoint is at 4, 3, and you have to find the missing endpoint. So if this is 1 up, if the x is 1 up, then for this point it would be 1 down, 3. And then here from 3 to -6, that is 9. If you didn't know that was 9, you could always just subtract them. 3 minus -6 equals 9. So this is 9 down, so if I go 9 up, I'll get the other point, 12. And that's my missing endpoint. 28, H is -3, 7. Midpoint is -2, 5. I need to find G. So this is down 1, so if I go up 1, I'll get this point. And here, be up 2, so if I go down 2, I'll get this point. And then the other one I will do with you is, so you'll do 29, 30, 31, and then I'll do 32 right now because fractions, and I don't like fractions either. So G, -4, 1, the midpoint. I don't like fractions to the point where I'll literally change this into a decimal just so I don't have to deal with fractions. 13 divided by 2, you'll have a calculator if you need it, but 13 divided by 2 is -6.5. And then I can find my missing endpoint. So between -4 and -6.5, that is 2.5. So they're going down 2.5 this way. So if I go up 2.5, or wait, no, they're going up 2.5 that way. So if I go down 2.5, it would be -9. And then here, from -6 to 1 would be, there's 7 units there, 7 up. So if I go 7 down, -13. And there's my answer. Okay. So the ones that I circled, there is 4 on the other side and 3 here. I want you to do those independently, and then when you're done with that, you'll work on Khan Academy. You may have noticed that there's also an answer bank on the board, and you can use that answer bank to check your work. If your answer is not in the answer bank, you did something wrong, and just ask if you need help.